we are in polar bear land. Did you know you can actually stay inside the wildlife park in the UK? Honestly, I always thought waking up to the sight of lions, tigers or wolves from your bedroom window was something that only happens in Africa. Maybe I'm just a bit naive. Anyway, while I was looking for a unique hotel for a short break, I came across the Hex Wildlife Park in Yorkshire. We booked it for 3 nights and I had no idea what to expect. This park looks like any other hotel. Like any other room in any hotel, we have a kettle, coffee bag, we have a TV, and this place is good for working, but when I sit here, the table is quite high. Open this one, there is a hairdryer. And we have a toilet and walk-in shower. The room is pretty small, but it's modern and it has everything we need. And it has 2 windows. This is my favorite part of the room because I can see the animals coming, and actually it's maned wolves. There are 3 of them. They run around here, and sometimes I can see the seals. So it's good to wake up and have a great view. And the bed is comfortable. And this is the watering hole, and basically it's a kitchen with the microwave, some sauces that you can have, and vending machine. Basically you can buy a snack here, or if you have ready food or you want to heat up, you can literally come and heat it up. Yeah, there is a sink, you can wash your dishes. The kitchen has a great view of the pool that I can see seals. Oh my god, it just jumped. Oh my god, there. At least I can see 2 seals. In this building of the hotel, there are only rooms and the kitchen I showed you. But there is a small restaurant next to the building where we can have dinner, lunch and breakfast. When you book a hotel, you can choose to include the breakfast or not. We did, because there is nothing around here. If you want to go for breakfast outside, you actually should drive at least 20 minutes. So let's have a breakfast. There are different options for the breakfast. It's buffet, and there are cooked one and also some fruit, whatever we want. I always go for it. Thank you. Let's start with the coffee Bruno just brought me. And here we kind of have a view of the park, but it's not the best view. But sometimes some animals come close to the fence, so the other day we could see them. But now it's too early, and I think the animals are sleeping or they're waiting for their food. When you book a hotel, it doesn't mean that you automatically have access to the wide park, but when you book a hotel, you get discount. So for us right now is almost £18, £17 each person, and we have access to the park, and we bought the ticket and we can go in multiple time, but after 3 p.m. no one can enter the park. If we go, we should go literally before 3 p.m. and we can stay till the closing time at 6. Basically, since we want to go in and come back to our room, so instead of just going, we ask for the stamp. So with this stamp, we can go multiple times inside. Can you see them how peaceful they are sleeping right now? But every morning when we wake up, we see them and they are jumping around and going around and playing with birds. But I think now they are tired, and we can see them from our window, which is great to see them close.
like that one is doing yoga. I'm not sure. Maybe camel pose.
First we were checking out all the animals we could see from our windows, and literally we could see them in action, but right now they're like laying down tired, or they just had food. But it's good to look closer. And actually the wolves, we couldn't see them from here, but from our rooms they were always the other side, so they are the closest animal to our room. There is a sign here and ask people, please do not throw any coin in the pool. And when you look around and you see still people throw the coin. I never understood the people throwing coin and they wish for something, because it never comes through that way. So you just waste your money. Probably a lot of people, they wish for money while they are throwing money out. If you're wishing for love, maybe the love luck works better, I don't know. Don't throw your money somewhere.
What are you talking about? So basically someone is alone, they should put a lock with just their name on it. Usually the couples do it.
Okay, don't do that either. So don't throw your money, don't waste your bad luck. There are times on the map and you can check that where they are feeding animals, and they just fed the lions and we missed it, but we can still see that this lion is eating. I really like this part of the park because we can walk next to the kangaroos, and I think I've seen other animals in the zoo but never been close to kangaroo, and I was hoping to get close to kangaroo when we were supposed to go to Australia and we had to cancel it in 2020, and you know what happened in that year. Look at me. What's going on? All of them hugging, cuddling together. Now we are in polar bear land. There are 5 polar bears here, and some of them are very sleepy. Maybe we should give them some energy drink, Red Bull, Coca-Cola, something. Because we had multi-entry, we came earlier in the morning and then we left and we came back before they closed the entrance. stay longer than 3 p.m. that you will have the park almost to yourself, because all the school kids are gone and most of the visitors by now left, so it's very quiet and you probably have more chances to see animals.
In the afternoon, it gets quiet, more quiet, because people start leaving in the park. So if you're staying here in the afternoon, it's quite nice. There's quite a few cafes. They close around 6, so you still have time to grab something. And this is my favorite part of the day, when I can have my coffee. It's quite good.
Now we are taking advantage of being middle of the nowhere and there is no one here. We use the car park as a running field, so we can run and come back and do 5k as Buguruna says.